Hello children, welcome to our channel, Early Childhood channel. I want to ask you children, do you like music? Okay, now we will have a music activity. I will teach you and help you how to make musical instruments at home. First, we will make a corn shaker. What we need is an empty plastic bottle and some corn. Okay, we open the plastic bottle and you put the corn inside the bottle like this. Okay, and we don't fill it like this. You can put as much corn as you want, okay? Now I will close the bottle and I will shake it. Listen to the sound. Do you hear the sound? Do you like it? Now this is the corn shaker. Our second activity is how to make a castanet. Listen to the sound. What we need is a piece of carton like this one. You cut it to make it like a rectangle like this one. And then you get two lids, two bottle lids like this one, okay, metal lids. And we need a glue tag. You can use glue. If you don't have a glue tag, you can use glue, any kind of glue. You get the glue tag like this, and you put it here, like this, and then you place it here, okay? And then you get another piece of glue tag, you put it here, inside the lid, like this, and you place it here. Now, look, listen. Do you hear the sound? Now we have castanet. You want to color it like this one? You can color it like this one. You can draw a happy face or whatever you like on it. Okay? You can use a marker like this one to color it. And to draw a happy face on it like this one, or you can draw whatever you like. Okay children, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.